Some seasons of life feel like everything is slipping out of your hands. Opportunities, relationships, peace, and even your own sense of purpose. You start wondering if what you lost will ever return, or if life will ever feel whole again. But today, hear this clearly. Jesus is stepping into your emptiness with restoration, healing, and divine strength. This message is for the heart that feels tired, yet hopeful, broken, yet still believing. Jesus says, I am restoring what you thought was lost. There are moments in life when you look at the pieces scattered around you and think, can this ever be rebuilt? Can this chapter ever become beautiful again? Can something good still come out of this pain? And Jesus answers, yes, because I am the God who restores. What you lost in tears, He restores in joy. What you lost in confusion, He restores in clarity. What you lost through betrayal, He restores through divine protection. What life took from you, God brings back in a better form. Sometimes God allows seasons of loss not to hurt you, but to purify your path, remove what wasn't meant for your destiny, and prepare room for what is coming. You didn't lose it. You were cleared for greater. Jesus sees the nights you cried quietly. He sees the moments when you pretended to be strong while your heart felt weak. He sees the things you never told anyone, the disappointments, the sacrifices, the prayers you whispered under your breath. Nothing is ignored. Nothing is wasted. Nothing is forgotten. He says, where you feel empty, I will fill you. Where you feel broken, I will rebuild you. Where you feel lost, I will guide you. Where you feel defeated, I will lift you. You may not see progress yet, but restoration often begins in silence. Like seeds growing underground, miracles begin where eyes cannot see. God is aligning people, opportunities, and answers in the background. You are not going backward. You are being repositioned. And very soon, what you lost will return transformed. Not as a wound, but as wisdom. Not as pain, but as purpose. Not as confusion, but as testimony. Jesus is not done with you. Your story is not finished. Your season of restoration is already unfolding. Remember this. Restoration is God's signature. When He restores, He multiplies. When He rebuilds, He strengthens. When He returns something to your life, it comes back better than before. If this touched your heart today, like, share, and comment below. Backhand index pointing right. Jesus, restore my life and guide my steps. May God bring restoration to every area where you feel empty. Sparkle's folded hands.